In this video we're going to be looking at problem 3, which is called 3 in, 3 out formatted. The problem asks us to open our first program, which was just called 3 in, 3 out, and change the code. But what I've done instead is I've copied the code into a brand new program. I'd advise you to do the same. Just means that you've got copies of each program you've made, a bit easier to keep track of things. So we're not building a brand new program in this one. What we're doing is we're changing it slightly. So the original asked us to type in a name, an age, and a TV show for someone. So we have Lister, 39, and Red Dwarf. And it came out like this. Lister is 39 years old and likes Red Dwarf. What it wants us to do this time is it wants us to have the name and the age on the same line. And then on the following line, it wants us to say likes watching and the name of the TV show. So our inputs are staying the same. We're still getting the three same pieces of data. A name, which is a string, an age, which is an integer, and a TV show, which is a string. So we're only going to change our outputs. So I'm going to just delete all these and focus on a fresh print. So on the first line, we want the name and the age. So let's try that out. So we're going to print name, comma, age. And we learned that last time if we put a comma, we can print multiple things on the same line. Now, before I go any further, I'm going to run that. That's it for my name. So I'm going to say Lister, 39, and Red Dwarf. There we go. Lister, 39. Next one. On the next line, it wants us to say likes watching and the name of the TV show. So if we want the next display to be on the new line, we have to use a separate print. So a new print for when you want to take a new line. And we're going to say likes watching and then the TV show name. Now this is a wee bit different. What we need to do is we need to write the actual string, the literal string. Oh, not let's. Likes watching. So that's the words that we want to show up on the screen. We have to put quotes around it because it's not a variable. Variables don't have quotes. This is a string. We want it to always say likes watching. Every time the program runs, it's always going to say that. So we're going to say likes watching, and then we can put a comma in and write the name of the variable we want to display. In this case, it's TV show. So print the name and age. So Lister, 39, likes watching, and then the name of the TV show. Now it's important I've not put any spaces in here, because if I put spaces, it will put extra spaces up on my output. And remember, the comma puts a space in for us by default. So that looks like it should work. So Lister, 39, and Red Dwarf. There we go. Lister, 39, likes watching Red Dwarf. And the takeaway from this program is that you can mix and match strings and variables on your print lines, and it's important to know when to put quotes around words and when not to put quotes around words.